I guess all this chatter online about how involved and wrapped up Jamaican people are with Chinese people, and bringing a lot of things that has been happening as far as Chinese nationals are concerned, that's been going on behind the scenes that nobody likes to talk about. When we talk about it on social media, has brought attention from our government and from the officials in Jamaica, because 2 more Chinese nationals have been arrested. And if you are Jamaica, or if you're in Jamaica or Jamaican, you know that Chinese nationals don't get arrested in our country at all. Especially the ones that own businesses, especially the ones that live in particular communities in Jamaica. So when they get arrested, it's a big deal. So this article says 2 Chinese nationals were arrested in connection with over $100 million worth of counterfeit goods seized during an operation carried out by members of the counter-terrorism and organized crime on Monday. Police said 2 Chinese nationals are expected to be charged under the Consumption Protection Act, the Trademark Act, and the Customs Act. Reports are that about 11 a.m., the team raided 2 establishments that specialize in the sale of clothes and shoes. Several counterfeit items with brands such as Nike, Louis Vuitton, Adidas were seized, including shoes and sandals were also seized. Police say the money from fake products goes to organized crime, which are facts, and help fund terrorism, more facts, and other illegal acts, which are facts. Okay? So, to see that they're actually getting arrested for counterfeit goods and for bringing fake products into our country, it's like, damn, it's about time. But maybe it's too late, because there are too many fake products in our country already. So are they going to do diligent enough work to actually get rid of all the fake products and all the importation of fake products in our country? And I'm sure the government don't have the resources to do that. And if they do have the resources, it's going to take a long time. And I don't think our government is that dedicated to this or stuff like this. It's all fine and dandy to arrest 2 nationals here and 2 nationals there so that the people can feel like you're doing something. But where the problem lies is off. That's where the problem lies. First of all, how are these counterfeit goods getting in the country? They literally have to pass through customs, through our wharfs, they have to pass through a bunch of places before they get into Jamaica. So for them to pass through all those places and there's no red flags and there's nothing that's done in those areas tells you that you locking up 2 Chinese nationals here and 2 Chinese nationals there is not going to make the issue go away. You have to start from the meat of the matter. And you have to go to where these fake products are coming from. And they're coming from our wharfs. So take the bad apple in from out of the wharf, where actually they get paid from these Chinese nationals to make these fake products go through without any red flags being raised. Okay, they're getting paid behind the scenes. Take them out, fire them, dash them away, and then we'll have less of this issue. Because you arresting 2 nationals here and 2 nationals there is not really helping the issue at all. And it's nice to see that they're trying to do something, but I feel like more needs to be done at attacking this issue from the root. Not only doing fake counterfeit goods like clothes and shoes, they need to also start tackling the fake goods as far as food is concerned. Jamaica have way too much fake food. Like way too much. We saw fake rice, fake cabbage, fake meat, all that. So they need to start attacking the food portion also, because quite frankly, that's going to be the detriment of Jamaican people, because the Chinese are able to sell their products, especially the food products, for liquor or nothing. So a lot of Jamaicans are going to buy it because you get a bang for your buck and you can feed your family. And even though it may not be the healthiest for you, it's the cheapest. And we all know that Jamaican people, not Jamaican people, most people like cheap stuff. So if the Chinese can sell it to you for $1.50 less, I'm sure that's where they're going to buy it. So we need to also be tackling the food, okay? Because sooner or later, we're going to be start dying from these fake foods that we're feeding our children, their parents, and everybody. And probably that's why we're seeing such decline in intelligence of our people, because sometimes we really have to wonder, like, Jamaicans are normally very smart, well-educated, intellectual people, but now they have gone through this big decline of brain drain people. Like, it correlates with so many stuff, but this right here, as far as cracking down on fake goods and fake products is concerned, I feel like yes, they're trying, yes, they're doing stuff, but they need to do more, especially where the food part is concerned, and actually fix the matter from the core, which is at the wharfs where these foods are coming in and these products are coming in to our country. So comment in the comment section and tell me what you guys think. Do you think that they're actually arresting these 1 and 2 Chinese nationals so that Jamaican people can stop scrutinizing them and stop talking about it and stop cussing them out and saying that these Chinese officials are taking over our country and they just want to keep Jamaican people quiet? Or do you think they're doing it because they know it's a problem and it's impacting not only Jamaican people's dollars or other competitors' dollars, but also their dollars are being affected? So comment in the comment section and tell me what you guys think about this story. And also, do you think they're actually going to get deported, a slap on the wrist with a fine, and then them gone down to them business again? Or do you think they're actually going to send them to hard labor in prison in Jamaica? Comment in the comment section and tell me what you guys think they're going to give them, and I'll follow up with this story to see what happens. This story and the other 2 that was arrested recently. Comment in the comment section and tell what you guys think about this, and I'll see you in the next video.